If you've been wondering how to make use of the latest Ghibli trend and make money with it, then this video is for you. Today I'm going to review a product that is named as Ghibli with a double L. Now, what is Ghibli? Ghibli is a next-gen AI storytelling and video creation platform. Now, this allows users to turn text into cinematic videos, cinematic animated stories using the Studio Ghibli style visuals. Now, it is designed for content creators, marketers, educators, freelancers, storytellers. Pretty much anybody can use it and generate emotional, engaging video content even without any technical or animation skills. So let's quickly look at what this product Ghibli is all about. What are the key features of this product and why is it that you should go for it if at all you're looking for something like this. And I'll do a quick walkthrough of their sales page, show you, log into the dashboard, show you what are the features, how the dashboard looks, and give you my honest opinion of what this product is all about. But before that, a quick look at some of the features of this product. Now, what Ghibli does is it helps you create 4 or 5 different things using the Studio Ghibli style visuals. You can create AI powered stories, which are short form stories that you can post to Instagram, TikTok, or YouTube Shorts. You can create avatars or characters or maybe superhero styled characters using this tool. You can create voiceovers. There is an option of recording or cloning your voice and using background music. It's a simple drag and drop video editor, so you'll be able to drop images, write a few text, which is basically prompts, AI prompts, and get all of these done. Now, the best part about this tool is that you don't really need technical skills or any animation skills because the software pretty much takes care of everything. All that you need to do is just maybe enter 2 or 3 lines, which are prompts to create these videos, and maybe a couple of images that you want to use. Other than that, there is nothing much. I'll show you the demo video and you'll be able to understand what exactly is it that I'm talking about. So without wasting a lot of time, let me quickly take you through the sales page of this product and then show you a quick demo what this product is all about. Okay, so here I am on the sales page for Ghibli. You can see here they have a limited time offer running and there are a few more hours to go. Which gives you this access to this software at a discounted rate. You can see here they have a demo, they have a list of features and the support link here. And I'll quickly show you basically what this is all about. And the headline says it all. You can turn any image or idea into Ghibli art, action figure and viral shots in seconds. And I'll show you how all of this works. And here are some of the features of this product. It talks about everything that can be done with this. And the best part about this is that considering that there is a lot of viral trend going on with the Studio Ghibli style images, you can use this to make money if that is something that you would like to do. And they have a few video sessions as well where they are going to teach you how to sell these and make money with it. And here is how some of these Ghibli art translated videos look like. Overall, it is decent. It does a decent job. I'll show you how it works. We can create some of these AI art effects also, and some of these action figure art, which is again something that you can create. Then you can create these short animation videos, which are kind of talking videos by using these Ghibli characters. And then there are some cartoon videos also that you can create. So basically that's what it is. There is nothing too complex about what this software does. It's pretty simple. It's a one-time payment, not any monthly subscription, unlike a lot of the other softwares out there. It's a one-time payment and it comes with a lifetime access. And you also get a 30-day money-back guarantee. So if for some reason you're not satisfied, you can always go ahead and request a refund and get your money back. So that's basically what it is. Now let me quickly take you through the demo for this software. Now here I am on the dashboard for this software. You can see here, these are some of the arts that have been created in the Ghibli style. So on the dashboard, you can see that there are just about these few options. One is say the Ghibli art, the second one is Ghibli shorts, action figures, AI art, and the graphics. So let me walk you through what each of these are. The Ghibli art basically is where you can create a Ghibli art using any of these styles. Now, for example, if I select this style here, now you can see how simple it is, how easy the interface is. All I need to do is just upload a picture here, and the style is already selected. You can always change the style here, but it is already selected, and all you need to do is just click on generate, and it takes about 1 to 2 minutes for the software to generate the image. Now, second one is Ghibli Shorts, which basically is creating short videos. Now, you can merge videos, or you can create a short talking studio video. So if I click on this, it takes me to this simple dashboard where I can enter a script. So what is the script that I want? I can enter the image. You can upload image, single image, or maybe multiple images that you want to use. Enter the script. You can select the artist, if it's a male artist or a female artist, and select the AI voice, or you can even clone the voice here. But if you select the AI voice, you have an option of selecting one of these voices. There are a lot of voices out there, and when you click on generate, it generates a video for you. It's a very simple system. There is not a lot of complicated steps that you need to go with. The third one is the action figures. It basically creates action figures. You can create, you can mention the category that your action figure is going to be a part of, the title, what is it that you want to name your action figure, enter a tagline, if it is going to be a male or a female, and the expression that the figure wants to have on the face, and click on generate, and it is done. And next one is AI art, which basically is, you can create one of these art. Let me say, if I'm going to select this one, which is a face generation, and I can drag and drop an image here, or enter an image URL if there is a URL, write a prompt as to what is it that you want, or how would you like the face to appear. Just write that in here and click on generate, and it generates an AI art. And finally, there is this graphics, which basically means that you can create graphics. Just click on create graphics here. It takes you to this page where you can create one of these. You can filter it by all of these options that are there. If it is a video thumbnail, just select the video thumbnail here, and it will sort all of the video thumbnails. Like for example, let me say, if this is the one, then we click on this, name the graphic test burger recipe. I'm just giving it a random name. Click on create. The template is created, and then you can go here and edit the template, add headings or paragraphs or text overlay, anything, whatever it is that you want to do. You can change the background colors, or you can upload images here, and you can use that, or you can use an overlay by adding an overlay here. So whatever it is that you want to do, whichever way you want to go about designing this graphic, you can go about doing that. And this is pretty much useful if you are publishing a lot of blog posts, or if you want to create thumbnails for your YouTube videos. So all of that is possible from this simple option. So you can see here the dashboard is pretty simple. There isn't a lot of technical aspects in accessing the dashboard or going about creating it. It's a very simple software, and you can just with a few clicks you can go about creating some of these visuals. So what is my verdict about this software? Now, the software looks nice. It's a very simple software. If you are creative enough, you can obviously make a lot of money using the graphics that you're creating with this software. But it's entirely up to your creativity how you'll be able to make money. So it's a very simple software. For the one-time charge that they are selling it for, I think it is worth the price. But should you go for it or not is something that entirely depends upon the purpose and the reason with which you're looking at this software. Now, if you are looking to create maybe just some of these thumbnails or graphics for your blog posts, then this isn't something that you should go with. But if you're looking at monetizing the Studio Ghibli style trend, then you can obviously try this software. So overall, the software is good, but it depends upon what your purpose is. So that's what I think about this software. And that's all that is there to Ghibli. I hope you found value in this video and you were able to make a decision if this is something that you should go for or not. And if you like this video, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and click the bell notification so that you stay updated with all of the latest videos that I release. That's all that I have for this video. I'll be back again with another interesting video. Until then, keep watching. This is goodbye from Dilip.